LSO is a regional shipping company. Our biggest challenge right now is we're accumulating so much volume, and at our location is so big now that our biggest challenge is trying to filter off to other different locations so they can work the freight there, but they don't have experience like we do at the hub, so wrapping packages, getting them loaded, getting them good time departure, so that's our biggest challenge right now. Well, the biggest issue was retention. We didn't have enough people, so what happened is the lead times, our sort was getting done later, which affects the whole market because you don't have enough employees to process the freight. Now with Veryable, we hadn't had a problem. Our productivity went up, and then our lead times have been better or even before, so we get everything out to the market on time. When we first started off, because of the retention, our productivity was maybe mid-80s. Well, our goal is to be like at 110 productivity. The last 6 months, we've been at 110 because with the ability to shift the hours around. I usually think about a day before, about the next day, what I need, what the volume's looking like. So having that flexibility to just move some of the numbers around. Okay, I don't really need 20 people today. At this particular shift, I need 15, or I need 25. It's the flexibility I have with Veryable to be able to pick from that big pool of people. So it makes it very easy for me. Up 30%, I'm using 25 people. Now I need 35 people. It's easier to work the numbers. It's just the pool of people that Veryable has, it just makes my job totally easy to meet those goals. I have to say it's been fantastic. Of all the years I've worked, this is by far the best, the easiest. It's been a great relationship, and I hope that this keeps continuing on.